here in New Orleans, doing a James Hardie fiber cement fascia and soffit job, and wanted to talk to you about a few of the details of construction and what James Hardie recommends. For the fascia, this is a 1x8. James Hardie recommends the rafter tails can be no more than 2 feet apart, 24 inches apart. Fastened right here with 3 nails per rafter tail. If you have a sub-fascia board, dimensional board for a sub-fascia, that's even better, but minimum 3 nails per rafter tail, no more than 24 inches apart. The weapon of choice for installing this is definitely going to be a coil siding and fence nailer. Metabo makes them, Makita makes them. The soffit panels come in 3 widths, 12 inch, 16 inch, and 24 inch widths. The links come in 8 foot and 12 foot sections. And they also come in vented and non-vented. So the vented is going to have little holes drilled in them to allow the attic to breathe. In this particular case, we're not using vented because the homeowner is going to do spray foam in the attic. He wants it sealed up tight. Now on the James Hardie soffit, the framing requirements basically the same. No more than 24 inches apart on the lookout or the rafter tails. They actually recommend that the framing be vertical as well, so that if it's not completely boxed in, they're saying to strip it out like this and put a nail almost every 8 inches. I think that's a little bit extreme, unless you have a lot of children that are going to be throwing baseballs and kicking soccer balls up there to hit it. It's a little overkill. More reasonable is if you have contact in the front or the back, either with the sub-fascia or the trim like we have up here, to just fasten it with 3 nails on every lookout board. That'll be plenty enough to hold it. No storm or weather event would ever break that. It would take like a fast pitch baseball just in the right spot to break that.